Okay guys, welcome to the first activity. So we are going to start today by learning about 2D shapes. Now 2D means it's completely flat, you couldn't pick it up, and so it's two-dimensional compared to something that's 3D where you could pick it up and you can see the shape. Okay, so we're going to start by naming some shapes that we know that are 2D. So I have drawn some out here for us. We've got a circle, a square, a triangle, a rectangle, a diamond, and an oval. Now those are some of the most simple shapes, I would say. I want you to have a think and see if you can think of any more that spring to mind when you think of different shapes. Perfect. Now, what I would like you to do is grab some string or a pipe cleaner or something that's easy to mould and to move around. And what we're going to do is, using our string, we're going to create some 2D shapes. Now you can do this two ways. You can draw the shapes out already like I've done here, or you can make the shape with the string and then draw around it. So here we go. I'm going to start with the circle. It's quite difficult. You might need somebody at home to help you. You could also get a little bit of sellotape and stick down one end, just like this, and twirl it round. There we go. So here is our circle. And I would like you to do that with as many 2D shapes as you can think of. So I'm going to have a little go now with my square. I think this one will be a little bit more tricky because it's got sharper edges. So I'm going to get myself some more sellotape. There we go. Stick it down in the corners. If you're using pipe cleaners at home, you could use a different colour pipe cleaner for each edge and count how many edges and lines your shape is made out of. You could colour your shapes in. Just get some more sellotape. There we go. Perfect. As well as our shapes that we've got written down here, we've also got some trapeziums, which is kind of like a wonky square like that, like a wonky house. Or you could do a hexagon. Does anybody know how many sides a hexagon has? Shout it at me. It was 6, so well done if you guessed that one. Or you could do a pentagon. Does anybody know how many sides a pentagon has? It's 5. Amazing, you guys are so clever. Okay, I have completed my square. Here's our square. Now you could fill the middle in with lots of colouring if you fancied it, or draw some pretty patterns. Amazing! I hope you guys had fun doing that activity, and you can make as many 2D shapes as you want. In fact, you could do multiple ones. You could do square, 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 circle, make a little bit of a collage, maybe cut them out and stick them on your wall and make a collage out of it. Amazing! So we're going to go on to our next activity now, which is going to be drawing around some shapes to make a picture. So I want you guys to go and collect any shapes that you think you might be able to draw around to create a sunny day outside maybe, or to draw a house. Have a think about what shapes you might need to draw a window or a door. And I'll see you in the next activity.